Good morning, everyone. My name is Nissi. Today I am speaking about the seven words that Jesus spoke on the cross. The first word is, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. The second word is, Today you will be with me in paradise. The third word is, Woman, behold your son, behold your mother. The fourth word is, my God, why have you forsaken me? The fifth word is, I thirst. The sixth word is, it is finished. The seventh word is, Father, into your hand I commend my spirit. These are the seven words that Jesus spoke on the cross. Thank you.